Most trailers promise adventure. But the moment the weather turns brutal, the power cuts out, or space starts feeling cramped, reality hits fast. That's where this build changes everything. Today on Our Venture Life, we're stepping inside a fully custom off-grid mountain camp trailer designed for real four-season living. Not just weekend camping, not just pretty interior shots. This thing was built to survive harsh weather, stay comfortable off-grid, and still feel like a true home in the middle of nowhere. And trust me, a few of the features inside this setup completely change the way a trailer works in the wild. From the real wood-burning stove to the smart heat circulation system, hidden storage, massive solar setup, and one seriously unique floor plan, this build does things very differently. So let's start outside and take a full walk around before we head inside. Right away, you can tell this isn't your average RV. This is a large triple-axle build with a serious heavy-duty stance. The frame feels solid, the construction looks purpose-built, and everything about it gives off that rugged backcountry vibe. This trailer rides on heavy-duty axles with 8-lug wheels and thick all-terrain tires, designed to handle rough conditions. It's definitely a substantial build, but that's intentional. The entire idea behind this trailer is durability and long-term reliability instead of lightweight materials that wear out quickly. A lot of RVs are built to save weight first. This one was clearly designed to last first. Up front, you've got dual propane tanks protected inside a custom enclosure that helps shield everything from direct sun exposure and harsh weather. Right next to that is a heavy-duty electric jack setup paired with an adjustable coupler and reinforced safety chain mounts that keep everything cleaner and more protected while towing. Even the small details feel thought out. There's also built-in connectivity for off-grid internet and communication systems right on the front exterior, making this setup ready for remote camping without needing complicated modifications later. The trailer uses a reinforced frame structure along with full marker lighting all around the exterior, and everything is built to meet highway compliance standards. One thing that immediately stands out is the large side entry setup paired with an oversized awning. This creates a really functional outdoor space that stays protected from rain, snow, or harsh sunlight. Underneath that area, there's full pass-through storage running across the trailer, giving you a huge amount of usable gear space. But then, you start noticing features that make this build very different. Next to the entry is a dedicated wood storage compartment that passes directly into the interior. That means you can load firewood, kindling, and paper from outside without dragging dirt and debris through the living space. It's such a simple idea, but it completely changes daily use when you're actually living in cold environments. And yes, this trailer has a real wood-burning stove inside. Not decorative, not electric, a real stove designed for true heat. The exterior also includes a dedicated fresh air intake system for the stove. Since the trailer is sealed extremely well for insulation efficiency, the stove pulls combustion air directly from outside, instead of consuming oxygen from inside the cabin. That's a huge deal in tightly insulated builds like this. As we continue down the side, there's a large water heater system that runs on both gas and electric power. Nearby, there's also a custom outdoor cooking compartment with adjustable shelving, exterior outlets, and propane, quick connect access for outdoor cooking equipment. You can tell this trailer was built around real usability rather than just appearance. Further back, there are dedicated vents for laundry hookups, kitchen ventilation, and multiple emergency exit windows throughout the trailer. Toward the rear, You'll find insulated utility compartments housing the freshwater systems along with filtration equipment and storage access. All of the freshwater components are protected inside heated insulated spaces, which means freezing temperatures become far less of a concern during winter camping. The trailer also includes stabilizer jacks at all four corners along with a rear receiver hitch that can be used for bike racks, storage platforms, or additional hauling setups. But one of the biggest highlights back here is the solar system. This trailer is loaded with solar panels, including adjustable rear-mounted panels designed to angle toward better sunlight exposure when parked off-grid. Additional panels are mounted on the roof, creating a massive solar setup capable of supporting serious off-grid living. There's also exterior power access, freshwater hookups, additional storage access, and a full outside shower system with quick connect functionality. Even the exterior shower setup includes internal bypass controls, so it can be isolated during freezing weather conditions. Again, another example of designing around real four-season use. Moving lower, the trailer includes a fully protected black and gray water management system, housed inside insulated and heated enclosures. The tanks are protected with reinforced metal shielding and include electric heating systems designed to prevent freezing in extreme temperatures. Everything underneath feels overbuilt in the best possible way. The electrical hookup system is positioned cleanly on the side, while the battery bank and power management systems are protected inside dedicated compartments. This particular setup includes multiple lithium batteries, along with advanced power electronics, supporting the solar array and off-grid systems. At this point, you already realize this thing was designed for serious remote living. But honestly, the interior is where this build really becomes impressive. The moment you step inside, the entire layout feels open, warm, and incredibly functional. The flooring, cabinetry, walls, and countertops all work together to create a modern mountain cabin feel instead of a traditional RV interior. It doesn't feel cramped or overloaded. Everything has room to breathe. Right away, you notice the huge wraparound lounge area at the front of the trailer. It creates a comfortable social space while still leaving the center area open and usable. The seating setup includes removable tables that can pivot into place when needed for meals or work, but the open floor space remains the focus. And because the trailer uses the maximum legal width available, the interior feels surprisingly spacious. Every cabinet throughout the trailer is built from real hardwood, rather than lightweight particle board materials. The difference is obvious immediately. Doors feel solid. Drawers feel sturdy. Hinges close smoothly. This feels much closer to residential construction than typical RV manufacturing. The upper storage areas use gas struts to hold doors open securely, while lower cabinets include adjustable shelving systems for flexible organization. Integrated into the front storage area are the trailer's communication and internet connections along with the solar control systems and power management electronics. Everything is cleanly organized and easily accessible. Large dual-pane windows bring in natural light, while helping maintain insulation performance during extreme temperatures. These windows also include sliding ventilation sections and built-in shades for airflow and privacy. To improve circulation, ceiling fans are installed both in the main living area and inside the bedroom. Combined with the windows, they help keep airflow moving throughout the trailer. Along the lounge seating, you'll also find AC outlets, DC outlets, USB ports, furnace vents, and hidden utility access points built directly into the furniture design. One of the benches even hides the main breaker panel along with fuse access and additional storage compartments. Mounted nearby is a swivel TV setup that can be adjusted for different viewing angles throughout the lounge area. The kitchen section introduces one of the smartest layout choices in the build. Instead of placing the refrigerator low to the ground like most RVs, this setup raises the fridge higher for easier daily access. Underneath the fridge sits part of the heating system, allowing the kitchen layout to work more efficiently overall. Nearby, there's a built-in microwave with air fryer functionality, additional outlets, system monitoring controls, water heater switches, lighting controls, and one particularly important feature, the recirculation fan system. This is where the trailer becomes truly unique. When the wood-burning stove heats the living area, standard thermostat systems usually stop circulating air once the desired temperature is reached. That creates uneven heating throughout the trailer. But this recirculation system continues moving warm air from the stove throughout the bathroom, bedroom, and even into the insulated holding tank areas. That means the heat from the wood stove isn't trapped in one room. It's distributed throughout the entire trailer. And honestly, that's one of the smartest cold weather systems in this build. The owner still has multiple heating options available. There's the furnace system, the wood stove, electric tank heating, and recirculated heat distribution all working together depending on conditions. That flexibility matters when you're living remotely in unpredictable weather. The insulation throughout the trailer is also extremely substantial, with thick insulated flooring, insulated ceilings, insulated walls, and dual-pane windows all helping maintain interior temperatures efficiently. Because of that insulation performance, the appliances don't have to work nearly as hard. The furnace cycles less often, the refrigerator runs more efficiently, and the entire trailer becomes easier to maintain off-grid. The tank heating systems are also temperature-controlled automatically. When temperatures begin dropping too low, the heating elements activate to help protect the holding tanks from freezing. The system monitoring display continuously checks tank levels, battery status, and power conditions while providing alerts when freshwater levels drop or waste tanks become full. Everything about this trailer feels designed around practical long-term use rather than short-term vacations. Moving through the kitchen, the storage setup continues impressing. Large dovetail drawers use locking slides designed to stay secure while traveling. The refrigerator can operate on AC power or propane, and automatic switching allows it to transition seamlessly depending on available power sources. Overhead storage remains plentiful throughout the kitchen area, and the large sink sits directly beneath a massive window that brings in incredible natural light. The residential-style range setup gives the kitchen a true home-like feel rather than a compact RV cooking space. Even underneath the sink, the plumbing systems use brass fittings and braided lines instead of cheaper plastic components. Again, durability was clearly prioritized everywhere. The bathroom continues the residential approach with a large vanity, mirrored medicine cabinet, generous counter space, drawers, ventilation systems, and a spacious shower setup. The lighting throughout the trailer is fully dimmable, allowing the interior mood to change completely depending on the time of day. Ventilation fans can automatically regulate airflow and temperature, helping balance heat from the wood stove while improving comfort overall. Then we move into the bedroom. This space includes a walk-around queen bed with access from both sides, large nightstands, multiple drawers, overhead cabinets, ceiling ventilation, dimmable lighting, and additional outlets throughout. Large windows on both sides help keep the room feeling open and bright, while also serving as emergency exits. storage continues everywhere you look. There's a large closet with adjustable shelving, multiple deep drawers, hanging storage, and even a washer-dryer combo integrated directly into the layout for extended off-grid or full-time living. At this point, the trailer honestly feels more like a compact luxury cabin than an RV. But the true centerpiece of the entire build remains the wood-burning stove. Not just because it looks incredible, but because it changes the entire atmosphere inside the trailer. The stove pulls fresh combustion air directly from outside, includes multiple airflow adjustment controls, and uses dampers to fine-tune burn performance and heat output. Within a short amount of time, the entire interior becomes warm and comfortable. And there's something about real wood heat that simply feels different. It's warmer, drier, more natural. Sitting across from that stove in the lounge area, while snow falls outside, honestly feels like the entire purpose of a build like this. At the front entry, the trailer also includes a split Dutch-style door setup that allows the upper section to open independently, creating airflow and visibility while maintaining security and comfort inside. And that final detail perfectly sums up this entire build. Everything here feels intentional. Nothing feels random. Every feature exists because it improves daily living, off-grid performance, comfort, durability, or cold weather reliability. This isn't a trailer trying to look rugged for marketing. It was genuinely designed for people who want real capability without sacrificing comfort. And honestly, the combination of the layout, storage solutions, insulation performance, heating systems, and off-grid functionality makes this one of the most practical four-season camp trailers we've seen on our Venture Life. So if you had this setup parked deep in the mountains, completely off-grid, could you live in it full-time? Because after seeing everything inside this build, it honestly feels like the answer might be yes.